Welcome to another episode of In the Field with McKim and Creed. I'm Jacob Bowes, the Senior Project Engineer, and today we're on site at the Eno River Lift Station. This lift station serves a roughly 22.5 thousand acre sewer basin in northern Durham County. Let's take a look. McKim and Creed was the design engineer on the initial lift station upgrades portion of the project here at the Eno River Lift Station back in 2017-2018. At the conclusion of that project, McKim and Creed provided the City of Durham with a operation and efficiency improvements tech memo that gave the city a chance to consider additional improvements that they could make to their lift station in future years. One of the things that we're doing in this project to help as a supplement to that initial memo is to do a structural inspection of the wet well. The current project specifications are set up for our structural engineering team to do a concrete evaluation to determine any potential cracks in the concrete surfaces and what repairs may need to be made to consider longer-term operability of this lift station. Similar to the Lick Creek lift station, the Eno River lift station also has bypass discharge standpipes that are here beside me, which are accessible and ready to use for a full bypass operation, which we're incorporating in this project. Here at the Eno River Lift Station, flows are going to vary from average dry weather flows around 4 MGD up to a peak weather flow variability of about 20 MGD. McKim and Creed is responsible for the full design, construction administration, and construction observation services here on this project, utilizing existing record drawings that were provided and certified by McKim and Creed on a prior project here at the Eno River Lift Station. One of the unique features about the Eno River Lift Station is that it is literally right beside the Eno River. This makes it a really nice spot to have a downstream location for a large gravity sewer interceptor, which McKim and Creed designed and was a part of during the 2017-2018 time period when work was first taking place out here at the lift station. In addition to the replacement of large isolation valves here at the Eno River Lift Station, we're also replacing existing spool pieces as a part of just aged mechanical piping. We're standing here in the intermediate room of the Eno River Lift Station, which is another wet pit, dry pit configuration. Eno River Lift Station has a 36-inch force main that carries flow coming in, out. In this level, all of this piping to my left and to my right is 36-inch diameter, which is currently disassembled and will be put back together with new piping so that the city can continue to operate the station for many years to come. Standing above me here is a new access hatch that we cut in as a part of this project. The city needed to have greater access to this area of the lift station. Currently, the only access hatch was over top of the dry pit where the pumps are beneath me. But being able to add this 7x7 aluminum access hatch to this portion of the lift station was instrumental to the contractor being able to get their crane in and out and move these heavy, large mechanical pieces around. As a part of the initial analysis completed back in the 2020 memo that McKim and Creed put together for the city, we were able to do some flow projections to look at when it was possible that the city would receive increased pumping rates. Again, since we're here doing this work, the station's on full bypass. This is a good opportunity to look at what the city's current surge relief system is like and what improvements can be made, which is what we're going to eventually do behind me with installation of a 16-inch surge relief valve inside of a precast concrete vault. Thanks for joining us for another episode of In the Field with McKim and Creed. We'll see you next time.